Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by settling key decisions. Class AB for warmer sound or Class D for efficiency, and confirm speaker impedance and desired power. Lay out components on paper and then on a breadboard to visualize signal flow: input stage, gain stage, driver stage, output stage, and power rail. While you assemble, double-check polarities and transistor pinouts because a wrong orientation will damage parts. Once the layout is confirmed, place decoupling caps near supply pins and mount the heat sink where the output devices will sit. Now you solder the input preamp and the gain setting network using a clean signal path to avoid hum. Make sure to set the DC bias so the amplifier rests at midrail. This prevents crossover distortion. Next, wire the driver and output stages. If using MOSFET, observe gate resistors and snubbers. If bipolar transistors, set idle current with a VB multiplier. Connect the power supply with proper filtering and a star ground to minimize ground loops. After wiring, verify voltages at each stage before powering the speaker output. You finish by powering the amp through a current-limited supply or series lamp and measuring idle current. Adjust bias until stable and within target. Then apply a low-level sine test and inspect output for clean waveform and no oscillation. Make sure frequency response and gain match design. Once stable, connect a speaker and perform a listening test at low volume, then increase gradually. If you encounter hiss, instability, or heating, check grounding. Add small compensation capacitors, relocate feedback paths, and reevaluate layout for parasitic oscillation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.